There's a palpable electricity in the air as we bear witness to a moment of monumental historical significance. It's April 15th, 2024, and the stage is set for a trial that will indubitably ink its name in the annals of American history. Former President Donald Trump is in the eye of the storm once again, this time embroiled in what's been dubbed the hush money trial. Now, let's rewind a bit to understand how we got here. In March 2023, whispers of a possible indictment against Trump began to surface. The charge, a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels, which drew parallels to John Edwards' case where he was acquitted of similar campaign finance violations. Trump's defense, however, offered a different perspective, arguing that the payment aimed to shield his family, not deceive voters. The case hinged on whether the payment was intended to hide the matter from the public, with Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, slated to be a key witness. Fast forward to April 2024, and the trial is finally underway, following a request for delay by Trump's attorneys, citing the recent indictment against him for falsifying business records. The request was met with opposition by E. Jean Carroll's attorney, who argued that a fair jury could be impaneled in New York City despite the intense media coverage. As the trial kicked off, jury selection began. Potential jurors were questioned about their biases and beliefs related to Trump, with a significant number of prospective jurors being excused for impartiality reasons. Trump's defense team brought in a jury consultant, and Trump himself urged the Supreme Court to reject arguments that his post-2020 election actions should be considered by a jury. The trial is one of 4 criminal cases Trump faces, and its outcome remains uncertain as state prosecutors navigate uncharted territory in charging a federal candidate. Legal experts are divided on the strength of the case, with concerns raised about transparency and potential challenges in court. The case is expected to face extensive litigation and may ultimately reach the Supreme Court. To summarize, this trial is a high-stakes game of chess where every move counts. At the heart of it all is the question of whether a pre-election payment was intended to hide a matter from the public or protect Trump's family. As the trial unfolds, the world watches with bated breath, for the outcome could potentially reshape the landscape of American politics. This is a trial that is as much about the man at its center as it is about the principles of democracy and the rule of law. In the midst of all the legal jargon and courtroom drama, remember, sometimes truth can be stranger than fiction. So, grab your popcorn and buckle up, for this is one roller coaster ride you won't want to miss.